Chapter 8. Matter. What is matter? Matter is anything that occupies space and has weight. All matter are composed of molecules, which are further made of atoms. An atom is the smallest particle of matter. Atoms are so small that more than 1,000,000 would fit in this full stop. A chalk is made of billion and billion of molecules, and many billions of the molecules make you. States of matter. Depending on the way the molecules are arranged, matter exists in 3 states: solid, liquid and gas. Solid. In solid state, the molecules are very closely packed to each other, leaving a little space between them. This makes solids hard and gives them a fixed shape that cannot be changed easily. In other words, solids have a definite shape and volume. Chairs, erasers, pencils, plants and stones are some examples of solids. Some solids can change their shape or can be bent or broken. For example, clay is a solid that can be molded into different shapes. Liquid. In liquids, the molecules are loosely packed. Since there is more space between the molecules of a liquid as compared to solids, liquids have no fixed shape and can flow easily. Also, they have not a fixed volume. They take the shape of the container into which they are poured. Water, milk, juice and oil are some examples of liquids. Gas. In gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. They are free to move in any direction. Thus, gases have no fixed shape and volume. Gases fill all the available space of the vessel and flow more easily than liquids. Oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide are some examples of gases. Changes in states of matter. Do the 3 states of matter interchange their states? Yes. Some matter can interchange their states on heating or cooling. Solid to liquid. What happens to the ice cubes when they are kept in a plate outside the refrigerator? What happens to butter when it is put on a hot pan? The solid changes to liquid on heating. Ice cubes changes to water and butter changes to oil. This is called melting. Liquid to gas. What happens when water is heated for some time? The liquid changes to gas on heating. Water changes to water vapor or steam. This is called evaporation. Gas to liquid. What happens with a glass of chilled water when it is kept on a table for some time? The gas changes to liquid on cooling. The water vapor in the air on coming in contact with cool surface of glass changes its state and becomes water droplets. This is called condensation. Liquid to solid. What happens to water in an ice tray when it is cooled in a freezer? The liquid changes to solid on cooling. The water changes to ice cubes. This is called freezing. Solid to gas. What happens to naphthalene balls when they are kept between the clothes for some time? Some solid changes to gas on getting warmth. The balls become gas, which you can also smell. The naphthalene balls reduces in size or may disappear. This change is called sublimation. When a gas turns directly into a solid on cooling, the process is called deposition. Solute, solvent and solution. Take some water in a glass. Add 2 to 3 spoonfuls of sugar in it. Now stir well. After some time, sugar crystals disappear from the water. The level of water in the glass is the same. On tasting, you will find that water has become sweet. Sugar seems to disappear, but actually it is dissolved in water. The substance which dissolves in liquid is called solute, for example, sugar and salt, etc. The liquid in which solute is dissolved is called solvent. For example, water, milk, alcohol, etc. Water is a very good solvent. It dissolves many solids, liquids and gases. The liquid which we get when a solute dissolves in a solvent is called solution. For example, sugar water, soap water, etc. Some examples of solutions are solid in liquid. Salt solute plus water solvent is equal to salt water solution. Soap solute plus water solvent is equal to soap water solution. Liquid in liquid. Lemon juice solute plus water solvent is equal to lemonade solution. Milk solute plus water solvent is equal to milk water solution. Gas in liquid. Oxygen solute plus water solvent is equal to oxygenated water solution. Carbon dioxide plus Coke solvent is equal to aerated Coke water solution. Aquatic life exists due to the presence of dissolved oxygen in water. Aquatic plants and animals breathe dissolved oxygen in water. Fish are able to breathe this oxygen through gills.